Hey guys, super excited. I finally found a book. It is a book I found at the Goodwill. I got it for $4.99. It was soft cover. Oh my god, paperback. And so I've already started working on it. I've started folding the edges, and it has over 500 pages, so it'll be a really nice full bird cage for Aunt Wanda. I can't wait. So you just saw a little peek preview. My next video, hopefully it'll be finished. I'm working on one of the 5D diamond projects I got from Wish, and I got another one in the mail today, so I really need to get down and dirty working on those. My hair's a mess. I was wearing a wig today when I was working. My daughter gave me 3 of hers, so I have 3 new personalities. Anyway, I just wanted to touch base, let you guys know that I am working on projects. They're just really long ones, and I don't want to make you suffer through watching. So I'll just post little updates here and there, and then I'll show you the finished projects. All right, you guys, take care. God bless, and rejoice in the day God gave you.